So hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Codersarts. So in this series of episode, this is showcasing project series. And in this series of episode, we showcase the project, and this type of project is going to very helpful. So either you are developer. So for as a developer, you might be working as a POC, that is called proof of concept, or even you are working for MVP, that is called minimum viable product. Or as a student, you are add some if you want to add some value to your resume, or even you are working, you want to uh, work some on your final year project as a computer science final year student, or maybe even any AI ML enthusiast, or you want to explore how the AI ML based application works. So this type of video is going to very helpful for you. Okay, so make sure to stay tuned until the end so that you will get the complete understanding of this video. And even in this video we will discuss about how the functionality will look like, what are the different component of any implementation, like technology we have used, what are the different library we are going to work on, and even how basically the whole app will work. Okay, so today one of our team member Pratibha, so she will explain this about this project and also explain the complete project's flow. Okay, so I'm inviting Pratibha, so she will explain everything about this project. Okay, so hi Pratibha, now you can start and explain about this project.
Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we are going to showcase one of our applications that we have developed,
Hmm.
which is going to perform label detection,
Hmm.
or I should say object detection. So, this application is a demonstration of the capabilities of machine learning based image recognition
Hmm.
and has potential benefits for a wide range of users.
Hmm.
By making use of this tool, you can efficiently analyze your images,
Hmm.
saving the time and effort.
Hmm.
So, whether you are a content creator, business owner, researcher, or educator, this app opens up possibilities for automating image understanding.
Hmm.
Okay, so I think this is where the future is, and basically the maximum that we can get out of AI and
Hmm.
to automate things. So, in today's digital age, like visual content is so available, so readily available to us. So, if we are to, make intelligently, like automate, like visualizing the images, we can create quite a lot of humanitarian apps as well,
Hmm.
where we are providing accessibilities to those who are not having a vision. Okay, so it can be used for that also, or it can be used to make tools that can interpret and understand images basically.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so again, this app provides an efficient solution for individuals and businesses looking to automate the process of labeling and detecting objects in images.
Hmm.
So, and not only in images, in videos as well, but in this implementation, we are going to solely focus on images. So, let me just share my screen to show the workings of the app.
Hmm.
Yeah. So this is the directory of my app, and I'm already in the directory in this command line interface as well. So I'll just need to run the file.
Hmm.
So this is the interface of the app. We have developed this using a Flask framework because
Hmm.
it is only for the purpose of demonstration, and it is lightweight and fast to create web applications using Flask. So in here you can see that users can upload images through this UI,
Hmm.
and we'll just select one here.
Hmm.
Basically, these are the input samples here.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so let's just take in this image, and you can see that it has identified several objects from this image.
Hmm.
You can see it identified wheels with 98% confidence level.
Hmm.
Then it identified car with 98%. So basically, the objects, the name of the objects that are being detected here, along with the confidence level with which the model is saying that okay, 98% I'm sure that I have detected wheel in this image. So this is the kind of output that is being generated in object detection. Here we are basically using Google's Vision AI at backend, and there are many functionalities available with Google's Vision AI. One of which is this label detection. Okay, we have created some other videos as well where we have highlighted some other functionalities that are available from Google's Vision AI. For example, logo detection, then there is face detection. So one of the use cases is label detection that we are seeing here. And let's just try out some other image as well. um, this maybe this is a street view again. So you can see here that land, wheel, again cars, infrastructure. So all these things you can see along with their confidence level, it is identifying. And like here we are just like writing it down, but we can also like label it in the images as well. So this is how object detection works in this app. I'll just give a quick overview of the backend as well.
Just a second, go to the app part once over. Once again, go to
Yeah.
the app part. Okay. So this object will detect so every type of object, or not like even the fruits, vegetables, or the or trees.
Yeah, everything. It will detect everything that it can identify or it has been trained on. So again, you can see here that again it is identifying photographs in here as well. Basically it's considering these things as photographs. Okay. Then vehicle, it is also you can see automotive parking light as well, which
Okay.
is being generated here.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
yes.
and anything that is called object that is will be
Yeah,
labeled or.
anything that is called object, but again it depends on what data the model has been trained on. So but more or less it will detect everything that it is can see,
Okay. Okay.
which is,
Fine.
and which is clearly visible to it into the image as
Okay. Okay. Fine. Go ahead.
well. Okay, so now I'll come to the back end, and we'll just quickly take a look at how the backend has been created for this and how easy it is to create this kind of app. Like I must let you know that it is a very extensive work if you are going to do it from scratch for yourself. But by making use of cloud platforms and APIs, this kind of task can be implemented in such less amount of code. You can see that this utility script is very small, and here the app.py is also just majorly dealing with all the stuff that we are maintaining here. Okay. From utility, it's just making use of these two functions, that is analyze image and to print its labels. So let's just cover these functions here. Here again, we are using PIL because we are dealing with image, just to open the image and save the image. And then we are majorly these two libraries, PIL and Google Clouds Vision, are the main two libraries that we are using in here. The others are there just to provide a smooth flow and just for some smaller functionalities. But majorly these two are important. OS is just to access the key that we are generating, basically which we are passing into the Google's application credentials. So that's pretty much it. We don't even need HTML library in here, I guess, because it's not needed. Yeah. No, no, in this one we do need it, but
Okay.
okay. Okay, that this one I can just remove. Let me just remove it now. Yeah. Okay. So we come to the first function, that is analyze image from URI, and this is the main function where we are passing in the image to vision. Okay, and we are also specifying that we need Google's Vision AI for label detection in here. Okay, so the feature needs to be passed on along with the image, which we are doing here. So we connect to the Vision's image annotator client, and then we are just passing in the image the content basically
Hmm.
that we are receiving from here.
Hmm.
Okay, the image in its byte format.
Hmm.
So here we are passing in the image that is being read in here.
Hmm.
We are passing it to vision, and in vision then we are just getting the features out of it, that is the labels that has
Hmm.
been detected.
Hmm.
And basically the whole output is being stored in this response variable,
Hmm.
and which we are just reading here, like for this print labels function we are just passing in the response that we get.
Hmm.
So we get the response, and then we just pass into this print labels function. Now this function basically is just reformatting the string that we get as an output. Okay,
Hmm.
so that it is like, so that you can see it in this kind of format, which is exactly being printed in here as well.
Hmm.
So it's just for the purpose of formatting that we are using this function. Otherwise, the whole thing is being done by this only.
Hmm.
So again, we just generate the text in the desired format using the print labels function, and then we are just passing it from the back end to the front end, and it is being displayed here.
Hmm.
So this is how this app is working. One major thing is that we need to have a Google Cloud Console account, basically a Google developers account, and in there we need to create a service account in which the Google's Vision AI service is enabled,
Hmm.
and we need to provide in the credentials, or I should say the security key for that service account, for in which the vision AI is being enabled in order to utilize this functionality in our backends.
Hmm.
So that is one of the major thing, and then rest we have already discussed.
Hmm. Okay. So again, for learning for this app will be basically for creating basic interfaces for, so there we can get the inputs and also we can generate output and also different labels of that objects. Okay, and moreover, how we, somebody will understand how the Google API we can call and how we like.
Yes,
So there is
yes,
no, so basically we are getting the percentage, but not any drawing in this one. So basically we are getting
yes.
objects and drawing this one. Okay. Okay. Even so, this will also not complex projects. It might be simple things, but what your use cases is. So basically, where this type
Yes.
of thing, so where this type of things are going to very helpful. Like suppose for level detection. So what are the use cases for this one as a real use cases we can use?
I think I already covered it. Like in content creation, also it can be used,
Hmm.
and for accessibility, it can be also used for like to aid blind people.
Hmm.
Right? It can be also incorporated into live feeds of the camera, and using text to speech, we can make the
Hmm.
app speak it out as well.
Hmm.
So this is like a very good use that we can put into it. Then
Hmm.
like it can be used by researchers or
Hmm.
educators as well.
Hmm.
And
Yeah.
like you need to get creative with it, and
Hmm.
the like possibilities are endless. It is a kind of application which is very client specific and need
Hmm.
specific.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
it can be used, you can use it for inventory management as well. Like
Hmm.
if you are in a store and you
Hmm.
just want to automate this inventory management thing,
Hmm. Hmm.
so it can be used in there as well, in logistics basically, where you just put things in front of the camera and it
Hmm.
just identifies it and
Hmm.
counts it and just stores away into a file. So
Hmm.
we can implement like we can make use of this object detection in there as well. And then again, in I think production houses where you are creating any product, which is, for example, if you are in a warehouse creating a car, so in
Hmm.
there also you can analyze its parts, like if anything is missing or not, by detecting all the objects in there.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that kind of system can also be made using this kind of implementation.
Hmm, yeah. So as a normal human, so it's a very tedious or difficult task. For
Yes.
as a means with the help of AI, so just with the help of normal, we can you can develop
Mhm.
any app, and even the app is not very costly. So you can develop basic app and you can perform
Yes.
all the functionality. So already level like if you integrate, like I'll talk about a blind, like blind person, so just we can add some camera, mobile camera, so mobile camera will detect this, and then we can use some text to speech, so that will also speak
Yes.
what is called about this one. So this is where, like, there is too many ways AI is going to, going to add value for humans, or improving their lifestyle, we can also
Yeah.
say, or
Yeah.
even, so there is lots of things. So even whoever watching this video, so I'm not sure who is the watching, so if you have somebody interested these type of things to be implemented, so either it might be a mobile app, or either it might be website level thing. So how we are, even you have some, even how we are detecting with the help of images, or based on
Yes.
live feed like that, so you can feed in database and you can manage everything. So, and that is not a difficult thing, so already we have talked about, so you can based on this implementation, and this is very basic things we are try to display. We try to explain only the functionality, what is the functionality, and how this can be going to helpful for you, or uh, in anything. So so this was for label and observation. So obviously this is going to very important, or different things, and how different way this is going to
Yeah.
be helpful or useful, and based on that. Okay, fine. So I think this all for this video, right? We have covered everything in this one. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yeah. So again, the same thing in this one, everyone. So if you need end-to-end implementations, or even you are working on some of the part, or stuck somewhere, facing some errors, or you don't have, you cannot be able to complete by your own. So you can also contact us. We will help to you. Either might be a student, developer, or enterprises, yeah, startup, whoever want to build this type of project. So that is going to we are going to help there. Okay,
Yeah.
so don't hesitate to contact us, or even you can also comment down below what is your use cases, so where you are going to implement. So based on that, if you think that is also going to we will read your comment, and if think that that is very useful, so maybe in coming video we will shout out that part as well. So that there is different ways we are talking about that. So just comment down below what will be your use cases, and where you are going to use this type of thing. Okay, so yeah, so that's all. So maybe if you are AML developer, so you are building career in AI domain, or maybe you are building this type of applications, so you can contact us, and what are the different way we are going to help. Even you are not sure how this what actually you know API, or even the technical aspect you are going to work in your business or something like that. So you can also book consultancy with us. We can help to doing brainstorming, and how this thing AIML going to uh, uh, going to useful in your application or your businesses. Okay, so that's all, everyone. I think you got some insightful information this type of video from this video even. So if you had some, if you're getting some value from this type of video, so please do like and subscribe. And also if you have some doubts, just comment down below. We will try to reach out to us. You can directly reach out to us, or even, or we will reply to your comment. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in another one. Keep learning, keep growing, and thank you for watching.